Reality star Grace Lilly's night turns dark. Police find happy pills during arrest. Harassment warrant brought her night to an end. Southern hospitality star Grace Lilly is in big trouble. Newly released police records confirm that the 27-year-old Bravolebrity has been arrested on a harassment charge, with officers also allegedly discovering what were described as happy pills inside her purse during the encounter. According to official documents, Grace Lilly was booked in Charleston, South Carolina on December 29th after authorities executed an active warrant tied to a second-degree harassment charge. The arrest followed a traffic stop that unfolded just hours earlier and quickly escalated into something far more serious. Police say that on December 28th at around 11 p.m. local time, Lilly was driving her Mercedes through Charleston with a passenger identified as Brandon Clavon. Officers allege she made an illegal lane change, prompting them to pull her over at a Circle K gas station as detailed in the police report. What began as a routine traffic stop soon took a dramatic turn. Officials ordered Lilly to step out of the vehicle, and she was handcuffed at the scene. At that point, police say Lilly requested that her purse remain with her as she exited the car. According to page 6, the police report says that the officers searched the purse and discovered a small container with happy pills imprinted on the top. Inside, police allegedly found 12 circular white pills marked with a P on one side, along with half of an oblong blue pill that carried no identifiable imprints. The report states, inside the purse, a small container with happy pills imprinted on the top was located, which contained 12 circular white pills with a P imprint on one side and half of an oblong blue pill with no identifiable imprints. When asked about the pills found inside the purse, the offender stated that the blue pill was Xanax and the white pills were birth control. Lilly reportedly told officers she had a prescription for the Xanax, but police noted she did not have any proof of that prescription available at the time. The report further states that Lilly was unable to identify the brand of the alleged birth control pills. As a result, all of the pills were seized by authorities and sent for testing. The incident was officially logged under drugs/narcotics violation in the police documentation, though no test results have been released. Following the roadside arrest, Grace Lilly was taken into custody by the Charleston Police Department and booked at the Charleston County Jail at approximately 1:40 a.m. on December 29th, local time. Jail records show that Lilly was released later that afternoon. As the legal paperwork made its way through the system, images from inside the jail began circulating. In her mugshot, Lilly is seen wearing a blue and white checkered jail uniform, her long brown hair worn down and parted in the middle. She appears to be pouting her lips, fixing the camera with what many described as a smoldering stare, an image that quickly sparked conversation online. What makes the arrest even more striking is the timing of Lilly's social media activity. Just hours before the traffic stop, at around 8:45 p.m. on December 28th, Lilly posted her Instagram story, telling her followers she was getting ready to see the movie Marty Supreme. Then, following her release from custody, Lilly returned to Instagram on December 29th, uploading a bikini photo accompanied by her signature phrase, quote, "Wavy baby." The post made no mention of the arrest. As of now, no further statements have been issued by Lilly regarding the harassment charge, the seized pills, or the ongoing testing of the substances found in her purse.